Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and got a neat little video for you today. Some things we haven't done before and some things we haven't seen before, so a little bit of work in there, and just stay tuned and see the surprise in the video. You might tell by the thumbnail, and but we've seen something pretty neat this weekend, so we're gonna get started. Me and Bentley's out here just enjoying the day. Well guys, I'm headed over here to dump at work. I work the truck. Ain't got a big load on, but it's awful muddy. Let's see if we can make it out of there. It might be an escapade. Maybe calling Dougie with a skid steer. So stay tuned, we'll find out. Alright guys, we made it here. I don't know what it's going to be like. I guess I need to walk it to kind of see what I need to do. 'Cause it ain't looking too good. It's slick. Kind of debating if I need to back in there and back up that other hill. I think that'd be my best bet if I can do it. Alright, so far it's working. Let's see if I can get it back down there without slipping off. I know there ain't no going up there and turning around. There ain't no way. You gotta go all the way in the back and turn around in that bottom. Just gonna try to stay on the grass, off the slick stuff. Got a one-shot deal, so got a little bit of gap in here, but they got stuff in the way and everything, so we're just gonna make this happen right here. So maybe I can get out. Hopefully it'll pull back up the hill, go get a running start at it and not spin too much. Guess we'll see. That was not nearly as bad as I expected, for sure. Could have been a lot worse. Get these doors strapped back. May have to move some junk, looks like. Definitely like to invest in a GoPro or something like that, so I can mount it up and stuff. Stoker's heavy, especially one-handed. So far we're alright, but we'll check it out when we come out. Hopefully I can get just a rolling start and get out of here. It ain't too much in there.
Well, if you wait a minute and I'll show you. Come here. Come here. See, he's way down on the far end. You pick him out.
And when you get your 12, where do you come?
Come here, Everly. You gotta stay here with me. You gotta stay with me. Did you see? Did you see? No!
Go, Billy Lee. He's making sure there wasn't one under. He's dropping out on her.
Yeah. Nakaya, move on down. Come on, Ed.
They're falling out of his boat. They dropped a couple. No, he's in the honey hole now. He's in there digging them up.
He has to go back up to where the teacher's at. Well, you'll learn one day when you get here.
He filled up pretty fast. Round two.
Okay, they were picking them up in both hands. He's out there, honey.
They're everywhere. I'm gonna tell you, they are everywhere.
Yeah, there's yellow in it.
you ready to go, bud? Say, let's go. There they are. Is that fun?
Yeah, that was scary. Oh, my egg. Like that, 50,000 eggs. All right, guys, getting a little dark outside, and we just kind of come out, check some things out, and close up today. And this is going to bring this video to an end. I know I didn't get a whole lot of audio in it and everything, but I did do some labeling of what went on this weekend and stuff. Some of my video didn't turn out like I needed to. It was a little windy or something, but like I said, I didn't get as much audio this time as I normally do, but I did quote everything on there, how it all the weekend and everything went out. And like I said, it's kind of getting dark out here now, so but we're gonna, like I say, close this video out here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We've done a lot of Easter things, and let me know in the comments what you think about that helicopter, and if y'all have ever seen that done and stuff. And we've never really heard it done before, but we for sure enjoyed it and everything. And we waited forever on it, and the kids got tired of playing, so we knew it was not going to be a great idea for them to try to go egg hunting in that, because I mean, it's seriously crazy, the people that was there. It's like they dropped 50,000, plus they had some already on the ground. So I mean, I don't know how many they had on the ground, but I mean, the ground was covered pretty heavy in that ball field. But they agreed they didn't want to wait the line too, so Bentley done his at school, like seen. We went to the courthouse and all that good stuff. So we done a little more this year than we normally do. We just kind of usually stay with family things, but tomorrow we're going to have a dinner here at the house. And Bentley found that prize egg, that golden prize egg. Y'all can see it in the video there. And I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, we hardly ever, any of us win much, or anything, which it's not a big deal for us either way. We just go to have fun, and what it's all about, and fellowship with family and friends and all that stuff. So, but I'm gonna give you an update on the chickens real quick. I did forget about that, but we just cleaned them, and of course, anybody that's had chickens knows they're crazy. But I've got an idea. They're trying to fly out. Earlier I come in here and one of them was sitting up here. So I've got a good idea on how to keep them flying out and stuff for right now. I'm gonna actually make them a makeshift fly pen for temporary. The weather's getting warmer, so they shouldn't need as much heat lamp, you know, through the night and stuff. I mean, we'll still turn it on, but I got it up high. So I mean, it's pretty warm in here. I mean, and they're all pretty gentle. So we've been working with them every day and stuff, handling them. They're getting big. I mean, there's several of them in there that the camera really just don't do it justice, how big they really are. But that one back there look like I got a thermal camera on or something. It's crazy. That red light. But they're doing really good and growing really good and eating like crazy. And here in just a little bit, we will actually clean the feeders and stuff back out again in the water and fill it all back up before the night. Has to be done like 3 times a day. So we've already done it twice today, so this will be the 3rd time today. But like I said, it's anybody that's got chickens and raises chicks, they know it's a little bit of a process. So, but like I said, sorry about the audio. I didn't really commentate a whole lot of this, but I will the next few. Like I said, you know, some of the video didn't turn out, and then most of it, you know, a lot of it was just enjoying the time and stuff like that, and just kind of brought you guys along and stuff. But I'll try to now put a little more commentary and make sure double check my videos and all that stuff, and we'll make it better as we go. We still learning on it. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for some more, because we got a lot of other stuff to be doing this year, and a little more fishing, and possibly might even go camping or something. I don't really know yet, but we'll see how everything goes. And thanks for watching, guys, and God bless.